Bought this makulok online on marketplace because the diesel, gasoline are expensive nowadays, so we need the manual mower. But the wrong thing with this is it doesn't cut. And look, that's the grass, and then I'll show you. And also this one is jamming. Oops. See, it doesn't cut properly, so it means we need to adjust it, and we'll see what's wrong with it. So yeah, so didn't really cut the grass. So oh my god, it's hard. Okay, let's open it up. So let's clean this one. Let's check what's here. This is the adjustment. Need to tighten and loosen, so this one will to call this. See this? Doesn't it doesn't even touch the blade down there. So I don't know what's wrong with this. Usually when you put a paper on in there, it will cut, but look at that, doesn't cut. So it means either the blade is not sharp. I need to sharpen this one, but it's pretty well, in a good nick. So the adjustment is just here. This blade should touch this roller at least. See, I can't hear anything that's touching. And I guess this one is the height of the grass that you want to set in, how much inch you're gonna trim your lawn. And let's see what's on this side. No wonder this is too cheap, because it's only 10 bucks. So I just removed the cap, and let's jiggle this around right there. Okay. Oh, there's a clip, so we need to remove that clip there. This is the wrong tool, but it will do. Okay, just spread it. Oops. We'll just spread it out. Okay, that's it. And then it's hard to work with one hand. Okay, let's lift this one up. It's almost there. Oops, what's that gear in there? Okay. Oh my god. Okay, there you go. So this is the inside. There's a gear in there that's rolling this one. So I guess we better have a look. Okay, what's in here? Doesn't look worn out, or maybe it is. And there's a little dubabag here, maybe just from stopping this one slipping. So I think we need to buy new gear. This one, a wheel gear, or what you call this. so that we can put it back there, because I think it's pretty worn out inside there. You can't really see it, but I can see it clearly that it's worn out. So you need to change this one and then change the adjustment. So here is the adjustment of your duva bag. So this one is pretty well cooked. I think it's bent. See, so you can adjust the height of your grass. You have two adjustment there. Yeah, so make it lower, higher. So all you can just remove this, I guess. Yeah, so for now just let us leave it that way. Let me tighten it, and then the other one, this one, these two little nudge here is tilting this blade. So this is the blade against this bar of, it's look like a blade too, or just a bar. And see, it's not touching, so it means we need to adjust. The adjustment is just this one here and here. So I think we reached the maximum adjustment, or maybe not. Let's see how we're gonna adjust it. So yeah, just feel the thing till it touches, the other blade there. It's there now. So now we can sharpen it. So let's get some grease. We'll grease this one. I don't know if this is the proper way, but this is the only thing I can see. We'll just grease this one. Okay, so grease them all up. So when everything is greased up, you can use your brush, not your finger. Maybe it will cut you. Sometimes we have sensitive skin. We don't have same skin. Some people have sensitive skin. They easily get cut. So use wire brush. So we need to put it back up a little bit, so we can use this one, this wheel, to let this blade move. Okay, oops, I can't do it with my, oh my god, with my hand filming. So I think I'll do it the other way. So this one is slipping, so I think we need to remove also the other tire to get the gear out. I think I lost the thing. It's here. So don't lose this. Don't lost it. Put it together with that one. And yeah, so we'll just try to how is this? Swing a couple of times, or even for 2 minutes, until the blade will sharpen. It's sharpen. I think that's how you sharpen your blade. Sharpen it together with this bar here. So let's see if this can cut a paper. Let's put the paper here, and then we'll run it. I'm gonna run it. Wow, it cut my paper. So it means this is the effective way for you to sharpen your push mower, hand push mower. No need motor. So I got it, guys. See, before it doesn't cut, now we have a sharp blade hand push mower. So just be careful with your hand, because for me, I'm very cautious about it, so I can do it. So wear gloves and wear all the safety thing that you need. So that's how you sharp the blade. So now let's put back the wheels. We'll order what do you call this one, a gear wheel online. So yeah, after that we'll put that one in, and I think we're all set up. Let's put this back here now. Then make sure that is engaged. Yeah. And then let's put this wheel back on. And this one should engage the groove here. Groove there. Oops. Okay, then just push it right in. Same with this one here. Push it right in here. There's a groove there. I need to push this right in. So it's there now. Now let's put a zip clip, zero clip. Put it here. Oops. Okay. Make sure it's in the groove there, so the wheel won't come out. Then let's put the cover back on. Yeah. And then let's just tap it like that. I think this is the side that we need to replace the bearing, because it doesn't go forward. It's slipping sometimes. And this one is pretty good. It can go backward and forward. So we'll just replace one gear. Just this gear stuck inside. Okay guys,